You asked, how to divide 9763 by 8 using the long division method. 9 divided by 8 equals 1. 1 times 8 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down 7, making 17. 17 divided by 8 equals 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. 17 minus 16 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 8 equals 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Bring down 3, making 3. 3 divided by 8 equals 0. 0 times 8 equals 0. 3 minus 0 equals 3. The remainder is 3. The final result is 1220 remainder 3.